Alright, here's an update video of the Cutlass. Should be exhaust day. I'm gonna show you the mufflers I got in the trunk. I took my headlight bezels off because I'm about to change these headlights out to LEDs. And I took my grills out because the ones I got are busted all up. And it doesn't even work. I can't even tighten them up the right way. So I'm gonna be in search for some new grills or something. Tires, that'll be coming in a couple of weeks. Let's see. Inside, I put seat covers over these seats just because. Another steering wheel in it. You know, that's pretty much all I've done. It's a little dirty right here, but I used some spot putty to cover up those little holes that I had. Still not done with it. Let's see. Gotta rig this shit up. Alright, here we go. So these are the mufflers I have right here. A couple of these Magnaflow rumble mufflers. Those about $28 a piece at AutoZone. I had to buy them for 2 different AutoZones because normally they only carry 1 at a time. I was gonna use that wood grain, but I changed my mind on that. I'm gonna start it up so you can hear the cold start, like a before and after. And you see I lowered it in the back. I used those spring clamps. I know it's not the right way to do it. And also I used little spacers. But let me see if I can get it. Let me see if I can get it fired up for you. I'll find out. There we go. Had to get the high to kick on the right way. To me, it seems like it runs a little too high. Gotta adjust it a little more. As you can see, exhaust leak all over the place. Not too bad. It's all good for right now, man. I also use that putty right here. I ain't done yet. I gotta sand that down again. I sanded this down and sanded that down, so now the holes are all covered up. And I'm gonna take some more undercoat I got and spray it underneath it. I rewired my gauges where when I flip the switch on, you can't tell that much, but you know, I get my lights when I flip my switch on. So next step for me, once I get this exhaust done today, driving out to the muffler shop. This is how it sounds on the inside of the car. Now, being that I don't have any seals in the windows and all that stuff, it's gonna be a little louder, and you know, got wind and all that stuff coming in, so it ain't no quiet, smooth ride as of yet. But it'll get there. I'll cut you back on when I hit up. All right, YouTube people. So I already went to the exhaust shop already. I get up under here and show you what they look like right now. Some things I think they could have done better, but I paid pretty cheap to get it done. I'll just go and get it fixed or something at the same place. They'll do it for free. As you can see, 1906 Eldebrock carburetor. Part number right there. 650 CFM AVS 2 series. About to replace this old crappy Quadjet. Just chilling out here with my cousin. After I put the carburetor on, I'll start it up and let you hear how it sound. I went and got the right quarter windows. As you can see, the trim, the rubber on it, it's much thicker. So now I ain't gotta worry about that no more. Come around to this side, same thing, the windows or whatever. If anybody needs some, you can inbox me or email me. I know exactly where I can get you some from. Then I went and bought the trim that goes over the back side. It's pretty nice. Look who that is. It's locked on that side. Coming around here and looking on the inside, Also went and got some back seats. Same exact place. All I had to do was clean them up a little bit. And put me a tachometer right there. I'll cut it back on when I get the carburetor hooked up. Alright, back at it. Next day. Beautiful day. Wonderful to be out here working. It's a cold start right here. I'm gonna pop the hood so I can show you this. Show you how it is. It's pretty much how the carburetor turned out right there. Now, I got a couple things rigged up on it. Number one, the throttle. Number two, the transmission kick down. I thought that bracket was gonna work, but probably a week from now, I'm gonna go to the store and buy the right bracket. Got the choke wired up. I just tapped into a wire over there. Grounded it right back to the carburetor. Got the fuel line coming off. It's zip tied right here. Now this is a heater hose, but I put this loom back over it so it don't really get hot at all. Then it goes right down into the fuel pump. I had to buy a new fitting. I took the AC compressor off also because I don't need it. It was in the way. I couldn't get the fitting. I couldn't get the other one off without taking that off, so that's cool. Exhaust. Now, I feel like it could have been done a little bit better, but got the two mufflers right there. And since I don't have a cross member with the notch in it, like always, it's the little flattened pipe right there, but that doesn't make a big deal. It's pretty low, mainly because I got the car lowered too. And I bring it out, I got them dumped about right there on both sides. It's kind of cool, in my opinion. Let me see if it'll cold start real quick. You know what? I don't have my key on me. I'll be right back. As you can hear, I got the keys. I'm gonna see something. I'm gonna see can I get in it without pumping the gas? That's without even pumping the gas in the morning on a cold start. Power of a brand new carburetor. I ain't gotta pump the gas at all. They just crank. Last one, this one right here, it wouldn't run like that. Wouldn't run like that at all. If you crank it up, you gotta keep hitting the throttle just in order to keep the car running. That's how these all sound right here all the way around. Now, it sounds like it's still like a little exhaust leak up here at the front of it. So I'll take it back to them to get them to fix that because I can hear it and it's annoying. But that's how she sounds. That's how she run now. Like I said, I got some back seats in here. Out of like an 87 or 88 Cutlass. It was a bucket seat console car that these came out of. The front seats and the console and all that stuff was already going. Thinking about just go ahead and go back with the stock original grandma style gauges and take all those gauges and just put them down there, like make something with that wood. So I got a whole bunch of wood that I gotta do something with. Damn cold out here too. And just turn the key again. It's pretty good. It's pretty good in my opinion. Can't really complain. I mean, it cost me a lot of money putting this damn thing on here, right? But I mean, it runs better, it drives better. Still got to play around with the shift points of the transmission, because like I said, I got to get the right kickdown cable, bracket and all that stuff. I got to get the right ones, because it's just rigging stuff up don't really work well. What's this? Straw. But yeah, these the quarter windows, I said, I think I talked about those already. They're pretty nice. I mean, I only paid like $50 each. Like, you know, that's pretty hard to find these damn things, and I ended up stumbling upon a junkyard that had a whole bunch of Cutlasses out there with the quarter windows. That's about it for these videos. Until next time, I should have some tires, hopefully. Whether it's wheels and tires or just tires, I don't know which one it'll be, but hopefully it's one of them.